What is going on, you guys? This is Big Z from Learn Bengali, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to ask someone his or her name in Bangla. Just the questioning part, okay? Because I believe I've gone over the other part, the answering part in Bangla, but I happen to miss the questioning part, like when you ask someone, "Oh, what is your name?" in Bangla. So yeah, I'm gonna go over that in this tutorial with you guys. So here we go. What is your name? In Bangla, we have to say Tomar Naam Ki. Okay, that's what we say. Tomar Naam Ki, and this is the informal version. Tomar is your, Naam is name. Well, I mean right here. Tomar is your, the informal your, Naam is name, and Ki is what. Simple as that. And remember that to me is you. That's just the informal you. Okay. Pronunciation is Tomar Naam Ki, but it's not actually T. Remember that this is not the ta we're talking about. This is a ta. Tomar Naam Ki. Okay, so don't say ta Tomar. It's gonna be Tomar. You can add a th in it, but that's gonna be Tomar or something. Thomas, that becomes Thomas, right? So yeah, it's not Tomar. No, it's Tomar. Tomar Naam Ki. Okay. So that's simple as that. And once again, Tomar is your Naam is name, and Ki is what. Okay. So formal version is Apna Naam Ki. So it's not much of a difference. Remember that Apni is you, and that's the formal you, and Apnar is formal your. That's the only difference here. Apnar Naam Ki. Simple as that. So once again, Tomar Naam Ki, and that's the informal version, and Apnar Naam Ki, that's the formal version. Okay. So we usually use Tomar Naam Ki on younger kids, and Apnar Naam Ki is on someone who could be as old as you or older than you. Okay, you don't know that person. So yeah, Tomar naam ki, apnar naam ki. I hope that it makes sense. Any question, comment, let me know. And thank you very much for watching my videos, you guys. Do not forget to subscribe.